Do you want to lose weight and keep it off? Well, first of all, you have to know what causes persons to be overweight. I'm Dr. Doug. I'm a general medical doctor from Montego Bay, Jamaica, and my channel focuses on using recent research to power up your health education and health practices. Recent research shows that being overweight is caused by 3 different factors. 1, genetics, of course, stress, and inflammation. Now, of course, you can't change the genes, so you have to focus your attention on keeping your stress down and reducing your inflammation. Now, you can reduce your stress by doing 3 things. You can avoid stressful situations as much as possible. 2, you can plan for stressful situations. And 3, you can get involved in fun activities and also use relaxation techniques. Now, I have a special Jamaican treat that I'll share with you at the end of my video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. Now, next thing we're focusing on is how to reduce inflammation in the body. Now, I have a book called Beyond the Prescription. I also have another video called Number 1 Health Secret, which shows information as to how to reduce inflammation as well. You can find the links for the book and the video down below, so make sure that you check those out. I'm going to be focusing on 6 tips you can use to reduce inflammation inside of your body. Now, how much you do and how long you do them for will depend on how much weight you want to lose. First of all, let's focus on nutrition. That's number 1. There are a number of things that you need to change about the way that you eat that can help you to lose weight. Number 1, you have to choose low glycemic foods over the high glycemic ones. That means that your food must not spike your blood sugar. Now, foods that tend to spike your blood sugar include flour-based products and white rice, and so you go for more the low glycemic foods, and these include sweet potato, whole grains, yams, and green bananas. Number 2, you have to make sure that you structure and space your meals properly. So you must have your heaviest meal in the morning, which is your breakfast. Your breakfast should have about 100 grams of complex carbohydrates, such as the low glycemic ones that we spoke about earlier. You should have also about 100 grams of peas, about 100 grams of fruits, and about 30 grams of nuts. And this will form a well-balanced meal. Now, your lunch should have about 50 grams of complex carbohydrates. It should also contain about 50 grams of fish or peas, about 30 grams of nuts, and about 200 grams of fresh vegetables. Now, you can actually alternate between your nuts and seeds because it's important to balance your plant proteins. Ensure that you get the right amino acid. Later in the afternoon, you could have about 150 grams of blended vegetables. Now, an important concept we spoke of earlier is spacing your meals properly. You should try and space your meals by between 4 to 5 hours. The third thing that you need to do is to ensure that you avoid processed and fried foods, and this includes fruit juices as well. You also should avoid animal-based foods as much as possible, and this includes shellfish and dairy products, because these trigger inflammation inside of your body. The next thing that you need to do is to make sure that you drink enough water. You should go for about 3 liters of water per day. And next thing is physical activity, and you should get involved in some physical activity that is fun, like an outdoor game for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Make sure that you follow the other recommendations that are in the book and the video. This video is not going to be long enough to go through all the things that you need to do to reduce inflammation inside the body. And remember that losing weight is hard work. It takes a lot of discipline. As we say in Jamaica, if you want good, your nose have to run. Now, this means that if you want to achieve anything of importance, it requires some sacrifice. Now, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and look out for the upcoming videos. Take care.